Today, our lesson is about possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. This is my family. This is me. My father, my mother, my brother, baby, my sister, my grandmother, my grandfather, and my dog. My name is Fadi. What is your name? My and your are possessive adjectives. We use possessive adjectives to show possession of something. They replace nouns. There are 8 pronouns: my, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. My, your, his, and her are singular possessive adjectives. Our, your, and their are plural possessive adjectives. Example: that is my father. The name of my father is Yusuf. Here there is repetition of the word my father. The sentence is long. We want to make it shorter and clearer. So we replace my father by the pronoun his. That is my father. His name is Yusuf. So his replace my father. We use his to replace a male noun. A man, a boy, father, brother, uncle. This is my mother. My mother's name is Dunya. Here there is repetition of the word my mother. We want to make the sentence easier and more simple. So we replace the word my mother by the pronoun her. And we say, this is my mother. Her name is Dunya. That is my dog. The dog's name is Rombo. That is my dog. Its name is Rombo. So it's replace the noun the dog. Her replace a female noun. A female noun like a girl, a woman, sister, aunt. Its replaces nouns of animals or places. Example: cat, dog, elephant, home, house, school. These are my brother and I. Our names are Riyad and Saif. Our is a pronoun. It replaces my brother and I. Those are my father and my mother. Their names are Yusuf and Muna. Their replaces my father and my mother. These are you and your sister. Your names are Saif and Lilia. Your replaces you and your sister. Exercise: put in the right possessive adjective. Look, that's my school. Name is Al-Amir Abdelkader. This is my girlfriend. Name is Amina. Those are my friends. Are Tunisian. That is not my father. Is my uncle. You and I are father and mother. Are parents. Good luck and thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe me in my channel. Thank you.